Hello friends, today we are going to make Kadhai Paneer. It is a very easy recipe. You can also make it at home. It is restaurant style recipe. So let's check what the ingredients are. Here we have taken cumin seeds, coriander seeds, red chillies, black pepper balls and cashews. We have taken ginger garlic paste. If you have a fresh ginger and garlic at home, then you can use that also. Here we have taken 4 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 1 onion, it is finely chopped, 1 onion, it is diced into cubes, 200 grams of paneer, I have cut it into rectangular pieces, you can see this, and capsicum, I have cut this also into cube, salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder as per requirement. First of all, we will roast our dry ingredients. Our dry ingredients have been roasted and now we will keep it aside. Now we have taken oil and we will fry our paneer. Now we will shallow fry our paneer. Now we will flip our paneer. Now in the same oil, we will roast our diced onion and diced capsicum. As you can see that the shape of these onions is same as that we use in paneer do pyaza or mushroom do pyaza. Now we will add our capsicum. Our onion has turned a little golden. We will fry our vegetables to make them tasty. Now we will transfer our vegetables into a bowl. Now we will start preparing our puree. For that we will mix our chopped onion into the heated oil and roast it for some time. Now our onions have turned into golden brown color, and we will add our tomatoes. Now we will add our water and mix it well. Now we will cover it with a lid and cook it for some time. In the meantime, we will prepare our dry roasted ingredients. We have to grind them. After 7 minutes, our puree has been dried, and let it cool for some time. Our puree has been cooled down, and it is time to blend. Now we will start preparing our gravy. For that, first we will heat up the oil. Oil has been heated up, and we will add our ginger garlic paste. Now we will add our chicken. Now add the chili. Now you can add your spices. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, dry ingredients powder, and we have to mix it well. We do not need to cook it well, as our ingredients had already been cooked, so we just have to mix our paneer, capsicum and onion in our gravy. Here my Kadhai Paneer has been prepared. As you can see, the vegetables are completely marinated in the gravy. If you want to add water, you can also add water. It is optional. And if you want, I am adding 2 spoons Amul fresh cream, but this is also optional. You can skip this step. Now our Kadhai Paneer has been prepared, and it is looking very tempting. It is really yummy dish. Everyone should try it at home.